I, Uma Agrawal, welcome you all to the online lecture series organized by Gokhale Education Society's BYK College of Commerce. In the previous lecture, we had gone into accounting treatment of retaining the bill till the due date and discounting the bill with the bank. Today's topic is accounting treatment of endorsing the bill to the creditor for settlement of account. Bill of exchange is a written order to a person requiring them to make a specified payment to the signatory or to a named payee. A bill of exchange is a written order binding one party to pay a fixed sum of money to another party on demand or at some point in the future. Endorsement of bill of exchange. Endorsement of the bill implies the procedure by which the maker or holder of the bill transfer the title of the bill in assistance of his or her creditor. The individual transferring the title is called endorser, and the individual to whom the bill is exchanged is called endorsee. Endorsement means the act of the owner or payee signing his or her name to the back of the bill so as to make it payable to another or cashable by any person. The process of endorsement may continue till the due date as seller sells the goods on credit to the buyer and drawer draws the bill on drawee. Drawee accepts the bill and returns it to the drawer. Thereafter, endorses the bill to the endorsee. The bill is then presented on due date and pays the cash. Adverting to books of drawer, drawee, and endorsee with treatment of accounts. First transaction, the books of drawer or endorser. Endorsee's account debit to bills receivable account. Drawer endorses the bill to endorsee. See the first transaction, drawer endorses the bill to endorsee. In the books of endorser, endorsee's account debit to bills receivable account being drawee's acceptance endorsed to our creditor. Entry in drawee's book. There shall be no entry as drawee is not a party to the transaction. Entry in the books of endorsee, bills receivable account debit to endorser's account being bills receivable received from our debtor. Second transaction, endorsed bill honored on the due date. In the books of drawer, there will be no entry as drawer is not a party to the transaction. General entry in the books of drawee, bills payable account debit to cash or bank account being our acceptance honored. In the books of endorsee, cash or bank account debit to bills receivable account being bills receivable received honored. Third transaction, endorsed bill dishonored on the due date. In the books of drawer, drawee's account debit to endorsee's account. In the books of narration is being endorsed bill dishonored on the due date. In the books of drawing, bills payable account debit to drawer's account, being our acceptance dishonored. In the books of endorsee, endorser's account debit to bills receivable account, being bills receivable received dishonored. For transaction, endorsed bill dishonored and noting charges paid by endorsee. In the books of drawer, drawee's account debit to endorsee's account, being endorsed bill dishonored and noting charges paid by endorsee. The bill amount is and noting charges amount should be given. In the books of drawing, bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to drawer's account. Narration, being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. In the books of endorsee, endorser's account debit to bills receivable account to cash account, being bills receivable received dishonored and noting charges paid. Now the example is on endorsement. Pallavi sold goods of rupees 25,000 to Vandana at 10% trade discount on 16 February 2019. On the same day, Vandana accepted a bill drawn on her for the amount due for 3 months. Pallavi endorsed the bill to her creditor Purva on 18 Feb 2019. Give journal entries in the books of Pallavi, Vandana and Purva for the following. Bill was honored on the due date. Bill was dishonored on the due date. And bill was dishonored on the due date and noting charges paid by Purva rupees 175. Let's go to the solution. First journal entry in the books of Pallavi. Vandana's account debit 22,500 to sales account 22,500, being goods sold on credit at 10% trade discount. Second, bills receivable account debit to Vandana's account 22,500, being bill drawn and acceptance received. Third, Purva's account debit to bills receivable account 22,500, being Vandana's acceptance endorsed. Fourth, there should be no journal entry. Fifth, Vandana's account debit to Purva's account 22,500, being Vandana's acceptance endorsed dishonored. And next, Vandana's account debit to Purva's account 22,675, being Vandana's acceptance endorsed dishonored and noting charges paid by Purva. Journal entries in the books of Vandana. First journal entry, purchases account debit to Pallavi's account 22,500, being goods purchased on credit at 10% trade discount. Second, Pallavi's account debit to bills payable account 22,500, being our acceptance given. Third, bills payable account debit to cash or bank account 22,500, being our acceptance honored on the due date. Fourth, bills payable account debit to Pallavi's account 22,500, being our acceptance dishonored on the due date. And last, bills payable account debit 22,500, noting charges account debit 175 rupees, to Pallavi's account 22,675, being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges paid. Now going to the journal entries in the books of Purva. Bills receivable account debit to Pallavi's account 22,500, being bills receivable received. Cash or bank account debit 22,500 to bills receivable account 22,500, being cash received on bills receivable. Third, Pallavi's account debit to bills receivable account 22,500, being bills receivable dishonored. Pallavi's account debit 22,675 to bills receivable account 22,500 to cash account 175 rupees, being bills receivable dishonored and noting charges paid. Finally, the bill is sent to bank for collection. In business, large number of bills regularly, it becomes difficult to remember presentation of various bills on different due date. To ease the situation, drawer sends all the bills to his, her or her bank for collection. On due dates and for or on his behalf, bank collects the amount on his behalf. For doing so, a temporary account is opened, which is called bill sent for collection account. An amount is charged known as bank charges, and the amount is closed on due date of the bill, and the account is closed on due date of the bill. This process can be summarized as: creditor or seller sells the goods on credit to buyer or debtor. Drawer draws the bill on drawing and accepts the bill. Thereafter, sends the bill to the bank for collection and presents it on the due date. Presents it on the due date and pays cash to the bank. Adverting to accounting treatment in the books of drawer and drawee. First transaction, bill sent to bank for collection. Reflected entry is in the books of drawer, bill sent for collection account debit to bills receivable account, being bill sent to bank for collection. Entry in drawee's book, there will be no entry because drawee is not a party to the transaction. Second transaction, bill sent to bank for collection, honored on the due date, and bank charges debited by bank. Journal entry in the books of drawer, bank account debit, bank charges account debit to bill sent for collection account. Narration. Being bill honored. In the books of drawee, bills payable account debit to cash or bank account, being our acceptance honored. Third transaction, bill sent to bank for collection, dishonored on the due date. In the books of drawer, Drawings account debit to bill sent for collection account, being bill sent for collection dishonored. In the books of drawing, entry reflects bills payable account debit to drawer's account, being our acceptance dishonored. Last transaction, bill sent to bank for collection dishonored or due date and noting charges paid. In the books of drawer, the entry shall be drawings account debit to bill sent for collection account to bank account, being bill sent for collection dishonored and noting charges paid. In the books of drawing, bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to drawer's account, being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. Next will be the example on bill sent to bank for collection. Anita sold goods to Nita rupees 33,500 on 8th May 2019. On the same day, Anita draws a bill of rupees 22,500 on Nita for 4 months was accepted by Nita. On 4th April 2019, Anita sent the bill to bank for collection. Bill is honored on the due date and Anita paid bank charges rupees 200. Bill is dishonored on the due date. Bill is dishonored on the due date and noting charges paid rupees 150. Let's see the solution. Journal entries in the books of Anita. Nita's account debit, first journal entry, to sales account 33,500, being goods sold for cash. Second, bills receivable account debit 22,500 to Nita's account 22,500, being bill drawn and acceptance received. Third, bill sent to bank for collection account debit 22,500 to bills receivable account 22,500, being bill sent to bank for collection. Bank account debit 22,300, bank charges account debit 200 to bill sent to bank for collection account 22,500, being bill honored and bank charges paid. Next, Nita's account debit 22,500 to bill sent to bank for collection account 22,500, being bill sent to bank for collection dishonored. And last, Nita's account debit 22,650 to bill sent to bank for collection account 22,500 to cash or bank account rupees 150, being bill sent to bank for collection dishonored and noting charges paid. Let's advert to the journal entries in the books of Nita. First journal entry, purchases account debit 33,500 to Anita's account 33,500, being goods purchased on credit. Anita's account debit. Second entry, 22,500 to bills payable account 22,500, being our acceptance given. Bills payable account debit 22,500 to cash or bank account 22,500, being our acceptance honored on the due date. Bills payable account debit 22,500 to Anita's account 22,500, being our acceptance dishonored on the due date. Next, bills payable account debit 22,500, noting charges account debit 150 rupees, To Anita's account 22,650, being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. Till today, we have thoroughly gone through retaining the bill till the due date, discounting of bill, endorsement of bill, and sending it to the bank for collection. The topic does not get completed here, but till date, we have completed accounting treatment related to the above terms with examples and solutions, which was intended to give you thorough knowledge of the practical along with the theory. I hope you all have understood the topic. I thank all for your presence, patience, and hearing. I thank respected Dr. Shri Ram Kulkarni sir and Vice Principal Shri Praveen Mole sir for guidance, support, opportunity, and faith. Thank you.